Determining the right number of first aiders in the workplace is crucial to ensuring quick and effective emergency response. The number of first aiders needed depends on several factors, including the workforce size, risk level, and working environment. The HSE provides clear guidelines on the minimum number of first aiders required for different types of workplaces. Low-risk workplaces such as offices, shops, and small businesses. Fewer than 25 employees, a designated appointed person is usually sufficient to manage first aid arrangements. 25 to 50 employees, at least one EFAW trained first aider is required, and more than 50 employees, at least one FAW trained first aider is required per 100 employees. Medium to high risk workplaces such as warehouses, factories, food production and construction sites. Fewer than 5 employees, at least one appointed person should be designated to oversee first aid provision. 5 to 50 employees, at least one EFAW or FAW trained first aider is required. More than 50 employees, at least one FAW trained first aider per 50 employees to ensure adequate coverage. Very high risk workplaces including heavy manufacturing, forestry, offshore industries and hazardous chemical sites. In these environments, there should be at least one first aider for every 10 to 15 employees, and additional provisions such as trauma first aid training, critical injury kits and oxygen therapy may be necessary. Employers must also consider factors beyond workforce size, including a trained first aider must always be on site if employees work in different shifts. Employees working alone or in isolated locations must have access to portable first aid kits and clear emergency contact procedures. If a company operates across multiple locations, each site must have its own trained first aiders. And finally, additional first aiders may be required if the workforce expands during peak periods with temporary or seasonal workers. It's also essential to ensure that there's always sufficient first aid cover, even when trained staff are on leave or unavailable. Employers should train multiple first aiders to avoid any gaps in emergency preparation.